Hey everyone, Artisan Pirate here. Now, most of you who frequent my channel know me by what I am doing here, and that is scroll saw woodworking. I will occasionally dabble in other forms of the woodworking medium and step away from the scroll saw, but this is what I'm primarily known for, and also dressing up as a pirate and entertaining and putting smiles on faces. But as I was sitting in line the other day in the drive-thru, I got to thinking, is it okay to do what I'm doing? I was always told that if you love what you do, you will never work a day in your life. Now, I'm certainly happy by what I'm doing, and that posed another question. Happy. See, 99% of the time, people will ask you if you have a nice house, a nice car, a nice job, but they never ask if you're happy. And that really got me to thinking, is what I'm doing okay? Is it okay to pay honor and tribute to those who helped you get to where you are now in life? Is it okay to have friends and connections from all walks of life who share your passions? Is it okay to show off different sides of your creative nature? Is it also okay to step away from what you're known for and try to learn something new and document that as well? Is it okay to take the back roads in life to just see where the road goes and relax and unwind? Is it okay to chase a thrill and get the heart pumping? Is it okay to think you have a passion for something but realize you didn't pick it up as quick as you thought you would? Is it okay to travel to distant lands and experience other people's culture in this great world of ours? Is it okay to collect things and have a passion for collecting things and have a slight thrill when you find that one missing piece of your collection? Is it okay to travel and while traveling document your experiences so people can see what you see in the world through your eyes? Is it okay to keep keepsakes throughout your life and display them however you want? Is it also okay to wake up in the mornings and while enjoying your coffee, you sit and enjoy a few hours or a couple minutes of video games just to get your mind going? Is it also okay to like shows that aren't from your culture but are popular elsewhere? Is it okay to dress up and put smiles on faces and make a total fool of yourself, and then by your dedication of this you get rewarded by being on a grander stage with your friends to entertain a wider audience? Is it okay to have a passion that you had when you were younger and found a renewed passion for it and love it so much that it's what you enjoy doing at the end of a long day? The more I sit and thought about these things, the more I realized it's absolutely, perfectly okay for you to enjoy your life and be happy doing what you're doing. It is your life and it is your story. Do what makes you happy and enjoy life. Thank you all for joining me in this video, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.